Hey YouTubers, my name is Sarah, and this is my studio. So I'd like to welcome all of you to my channel, Labcraft Studio. This is sort of an experimental channel right now as I play with different ideas and kind of find my niche. But I can tell you one of my favorite things to do is craft and experiment. You'll notice in my studio, I've got a lot of different tools that I like to play with, and I will spend some time featuring those as well as reviewing new material and just in general creating cool projects. I also like to experiment with how I can combine things. For instance, is it possible to sublimate on 3D printed material? Who knows? We'll find out. Today's project's going to be pretty simple though. I'm actually going to use my vinyl cutter to create a really tricked out sticker to go on my CO2 laser over here. If you don't have a CO2 laser, I'll let you know they are an expensive purchase. But if you can afford it, it's definitely worth the fun. Now, I've taken the time to measure the front of my laser, and the space that I have to work with is 32 inches by 8 inches. And I went ahead and created that shape in Illustrator, and then using the blue guides, if you can see them, I marked off where the door of my laser is, and it has a big old grate on it, so I'm not going to be able to put any stickers in there. The rest of it, I've then positioned my logo with my little Cthulhu friend here, doing all of his making and firing a laser. Now that I've got it shaped, my plan is to export it as an SVG file and take it over to my vinyl cutter. So the laser that I have is a Gweike cloud. Is that how you say it? It's equipped with a 50-watt laser tube, which provides precise cutting and engraving on a wide range of materials. The Co2 model, which is the one I have, includes a rotary attachment, enabling me to engrave on cylindrical or spherical objects like bottles and tumblers. Technically, the machine is capable of engraving speeds of up to 600 millimeters per second, but I don't typically use it at that speed. Like other similar desktop lasers, the machine comes with a built-in 5-megapixel wide-angle camera that allows for precise positioning of designs on the material. Speaking of materials, the cloud is capable of cutting a wide range of materials, including wood, acrylic, cardboard, leather, rubber, fabric, etc. And also engrave on glass, stones, ceramics, and coated aluminum. The laser has a working area of 510 by 300 millimeters and a maximum height of 51 millimeters, which is actually bigger than the Glowfort. Another thing I like about the model over the more popular Glowforge, besides the price, is that the cloud is compatible with Lightburn. Lightburn is an offline industry standard software that makes laser projects much easier and allows for greater control of the laser settings. It also means you're not locked into a cloud-based service or a subscription model. The downside of Lightburn is that it does require some learning, and setup with the camera was quite a pain, and it's still not perfect. That being said, I wouldn't use any other software to run my laser. Gweike has made their cloud and offline version available. It's nowhere near as good though. In terms of the safety features, the cloud is a fully enclosed design. There is a lid opening protection built in for both the top and the drawer. A must-have if you have a laboratory minion known for getting into things. In addition to that, the machine operates with a safe noise level of 70 decibels. While this isn't too bad, when it's on for longer cuts, I will often put my headphones on to reduce the sound. Additionally, While it came with an inline air filter for filtration, I upgraded to a more powerful model I found on Amazon for better filtration and air movement. So there you have it, folks. One decked out decaled laser. So I hope this was at least interesting for you and you learned a little bit about my studio. I hope to add more additional videos over time. Thanks for watching. If you feel like it, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to get more notifications.